तो चीफ गेस्ट ने जब पढ़ा कि हरी, तो उन्होंने रिलेट किया, उन्होंने कहा कि आप क्या वो मसूरी, मैं भी एक हरी को जानता हूँ, तो उन्होंने कहा जी कौन से, तो उन्होंने कहा मैं मसूरी में एक हरी को जानता हूँ, तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैं उन्हीं की ग्रैंड डॉटर हूँ। और दैट वाज रियली अ टचिंग मोमेंट बिकॉज द प्रिंसिपल थॉट कि कोई गड़बड़ हो गई है वहाँ पर, दोनों ये आपस में बात कर रहे हैं और वो स्टेज पे भी नहीं जा रहे हैं। तो द प्रिंसिपल इंटरवेंड इन एंड शी आस्क्ड कि व्हाट इज द मैटर, तो वो ऑफिसर बोले कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आई नो हर ग्रैंडफादर वेरी वेल एंड ही हैज बीन माय रोल मॉडल। उन्होंने बल्कि ये बोला कि मैं उनको फॉलो करता हूँ, और उन्होंने वहाँ जब बोला, एड्रेस किया बच्चों को, तो हमारे फादर के या गिरिका के ग्रैंडफादर के बारे में ज्यादा बोला उन्होंने।
पर अभी जैसे हम 4th जनरेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, गिरिका आपकी बेटी है, ये 4th जनरेशन अपने आप को कितना एसोसिएट कर पाती है? अभी जैसे किताब भी आई है और ये किससे सुनते हुए ही बच्चे बड़े हुए होंगे। हैव दे बीन टू मसूरी?
यस, दे हैव बीन टू मसूरी एंड दे नो द वैल्यू ऑफ ब्यूरोक्रेसी। ये हमारे अंदर इनबिल्ट है, right from my grandfather, like he knew that is why he entered into this business, because he knew the value of ICS,
right?
Because one of his uncles was an ICS, because one of his uncles was a ICS officer, HC Sareen the, and yeah, तो he knew what the value of ICS was, तो उनको मालूम था कि IS की भी ऐसी वैल्यू बनेगी। he had a forethought, and then that imbibed in him, and then it came to me, and now to my children, my son also, and our family.
अच्छा, I want to just go back to the book because it's so exciting. आपने notes तो रखे नहीं थे, so you've written this book only from memory?
No.
Did you keep a diary of sorts?
Diary of notes. I have one diary where I had kept writing. So from there I got back to.
No, but many of these officers, when you remember them for the last 40 years, a probationer will spend what, 1 year in the
academy, 1 year in the academy.
तो आपको जो 40 साल 42 साल पहले के थे वो भी याद है?
मेरा actually main purpose of the business was, along with the business was, जो मुंह में है वो दिल में रखो, जो दिल में है वो मुंह में होना चाहिए, मगर no false. So they were more attracted by my sincerity, by my.
I'll put it that way. He had a very good memory, and he could remember the names.
Yeah, you were mentioning he had his own way of associating.
Yes,
like he remembered TN Session as Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Then he could remember the batches, the cadre also.
Oh.
Yes. तो ये इनको बस हिंट देने की जरूरत होती थी, तो समटाइम्स द डायरेक्टिंग स्टाफ और द प्रोबेशनर्स यूज्ड टू टेस्ट हिम।
अच्छा।
या सो दिस वाज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एसेट, और रादर है, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज बीन एबल टू राइट सो मच। और अभी भी ये क्या है, लिखते ही रहते हैं, तो ये तो हमें रोकना पड़ा इनको कि बस करो, इसमें
रोकना नहीं चाहिए,
इस बुक के लिए, इस वॉल्यूम के लिए। ही इज रेडी फॉर द सेकंड आल्सो, आई एम रियली, बिकॉज़ कल भी ये बोल रहे थे कि भाई मैं तो और लिखना चाहता हूँ, मेरे को और याद आ गया है,
फैंटास्टिक।
इनको पुराना यादें बहुत अच्छी हैं इनकी।
लेकिन जो ये फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम है, वील कॉल इट द फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम नाउ, हरीज कैंटीन, इसका विमोचन हुआ सैटरडे को तीन मूर्ति भवन में। तो हमने उस ओकेजन की एक रिपोर्ट बनाई है, वो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दैट।
ओह श्योर।
Grandfather, Mr. Karamchand Hari, and my grandfather, Mr. Rajendra Kumar Hari, started Hari's Canteen, which is called Hind Traders. They started on a very small scale, just to see if they could run the canteen. Hari's Canteen was christened so by the probationers themselves, a name that remains so till the end of April 1990, when Dadaji eventually rounded up the business in Mussoorie and came to Noida.
Hari's Canteen, from IAS Training School Metcalf House to LBSNAA Mussoorie, is a book containing the memoirs and reminiscences of Dadaji, his experiences and instances that happened when the canteen was in Metcalf House in 1948 and when it shifted in 1959 to Mussoorie until the 1990. There are some very interesting excerpts testimonials and anecdotes which are there written in the book, and I would like to share them with you.
Dadaji had a very sharp memory. He used to remember the names so well that if the initials were told to him, he would say the full name.
Now, me and Aklush would like to share with you some testimonials. The words in each of these testimonials reflect these ageless values while shedding light on what the Hari's Canteen means to those who came as customers and left as friends. Mr. M.G. Bala Subramaniam, 1948 batch. Testimonial dated 12th December 1948. Services rendered by Mr. Karamchand Hari of Hind Traders to his customers is something for which he should really be congratulated. He was always satisfying his customers, at times even incurring losses for himself. I wish him all success in life.
Mr. S.K. Rao, IAS. Testimonial dated 12th December 1948. I know the value of Haris when I'm out of purse. They are simply most valuable. I wish them all success and prosperity.
Mr. S. Nanda, IAS. Testimonial dated 22nd June 1949. He is thoroughly honest and his charges are quite moderate, so much so that in many cases he charges average cost price, and that too on credit. Service seems to be his motto. I wish him all success in life, and I have no doubt that his honesty and sincerity will pay him in the future.
Friends, it's an honor to be here today at this lovely gathering and this important occasion to release the book by Sri Rajendra Hari. I compliment him and congratulate him for the work he has done. It shows the affinity and the love and the affection he had all the time for the IAS probationers. I had the privilege and the pleasure of knowing his father, Karamchand ji. In fact, he was the main person, as I recollect at the time. Sri Rajendra Hari was like us. Young person, I think he was about 20 or so at the time. Remarkable person.
It is indeed a very a day of reminiscing, going into the past, the window or the corridor of the memory really unfolds itself, opens itself. But the primary thing is that our attention is on Hari's Canteen, which itself was an institution, and the persons who ran them. First, Sri Rajan's father. When I reached there, I met Hari, who was not even, I think, 20 at that time, probably I was younger at that time. And they were, all of them were great help to each and every probationer for anything that we needed. I mean, it was all mentioned. And I think the Hari's Canteen was mentioned also the kind of services that he will do, whether it was the driving or getting any particular item that one would not find, even trying to have one's sherbani stitched or whatever that be, you have to request the Hari and the thing will be organized.
I just want to say it's delighted to be here on this occasion, especially to see so many young people. And this canteen, you all remember it. I have a horrible feeling that I still owe you some money. No, I'll do my best to make up. Thank you very much.
So that was fantastic, wasn't it, to see कि प्रोबेशनर्स की लाइफ कैसी थी,
बिल्कुल
है ना?
बिल्कुल। और आप दोनों का स्टूडियो में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और आपने इतनी सारी यादें हमारे साथ बांटी, और हमारी बेस्ट विशेस आपके साथ हैं। होपफुली जल्दी सेकंड एडिशन भी आएगा, सेकंड वॉल्यूम भी आएगा इनफैक्ट। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू
Thank you for the memories.
थैंक यू।
सो अलका, आफ्टर दिस इतनी कैंटीन की बात हुई है तो आई थिंक वी ऑल नीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ ब्रेक। हम भी कुछ खा पी लेते हैं, आप भी कुछ मिनटों में वापस आइए।
कला, साहित्य, संगीत, शिक्षा, सामाजिक समस्याओं के समाधान और आपके नए विचार, नई दृष्टि इवनिंग लाइव शो द्वारा हर रोज 5 से 6 DD1 पर।